Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. No, bro, you're crazy. Can you just cook real quick, bro? Come on, cook. Bro, stop. We gotta cook. I don't want to carry you. I'm gonna try to carry you if you keep doing playing this. Hey,
Are
W.
you sure you're gonna carry me?
We're not even joking. Peel Freed's kind of nasty. Bro, I'm actually peeling right now. Oh yeah, Peel Freed W's, guys. Not even joking. It's my first time using Peel Freed. Oh my god, I cannot see anything with Peel Freed. I got a whole blind spot on the car, basically. Stop! Stop over there. Bro, can you actually stop? Bro, actually stop. That's literally annoying me. Okay, where you on? Where you on then? Bro, where you on land?
I have no idea. Are you still talking about it?
Nope.
Okay, good.
You hate them? I'm making a YouTube video.
Pardon?
I'm making YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna finish this now.
How much time?
20 minutes?
How much?
10 minutes? 10 to 20.
10 minutes only.
Okay. But where are you?
I'll be here.
I cannot even see you. My god, you're like 20 years away from me. Oh my god. I'm going to restore videos. Maybe there.
12,000 years later, I finally met him.
Bro, stop. I'm gonna play the
I finally
game.
got him. After all these years of teasing me, I finally got him.
Bro, let's just play the game already.
Bro, I finally got him. After all these years of teasing me, I finally got him.
I'm not playing Fortnite in forever. Actually, I have played Fortnite in forever yesterday and today.
What is this? What is this? It's not taking me in.
Briefing accepted. Search or break open buried rare chest.
What did it say? Searching for.
Okay, blood came and read it.
Oh, I see it. Search or break.
Is there anyone? No, there's no one in there. Bro, I'm still 300 meters. Bro, I gotta see my brother Pulverine.
How many are you at?
Tell you when you need. I'll be in the morning. I'll be in the work. Call me back. Bro, I'm not even joking. I'm literally sprinting for my life.
Call me by your name.
Bro, W actually, W mom, she got me a camera, like a webcam. Bro, my mom got me an $89 webcam. That's Razer. Like W mom in the chat. It has a built-in light with it. Shit.
I finally got him.
Okay, I finally got a gun.
I finally got payback to these two players that keep teasing me.
How do they keep teasing you, bad?
Every single game that I join, they always grieve.
Bro, I mean, not even on live.
No, they know who I am.
You sure?
Yes.
Nah, I don't believe you. W Iron Man chest, I see.
Huh?
Nothing. Bro, will you be my? Nah, never mind. I'll send this to my friends.
So how many kills do you got?
Got 0.
Oh, I got 4.
Oh my god, you're popping off wherever you are. Bro, I'm looking at Restore Wheels and there's no one here for some reason. Like it's usually like buried with people.
Ooh. Where's it? Where's it? No. Let me go up there. I can't sprint. No. If I freaking hate this. I freaking hate my controller right now. I wish I never had a Nintendo.
Do you have an Xbox?
I was. Let's go!
Bro, can you come here? Like actually come to Restore Wheels.
I'm hacking the chest right now. Oh my god, I'm hit. I'm not hit.
But you can't hack a chest, you know.
Where are you? Oh, I see the medallion.
Where are you?
Look, come over here. There's a medallion. 2 medallions.
It's both small.
I know. Let's track them down.
Well, they look big when you're up close, like this is fully zoomed in.
Bro, they invented EMPs.
They did?
No, I'm just kidding. I already knew that.
I don't know.
They did.
Yeah.
I can't wait to come for those noobs. I'm going for those noobs. I'm literally jumping on them right now.
Well, there's 50 kids here. There's 50 kids here, guys. Just kidding, gang. Just kidding, guys. There's literally no one at Restored Wheels right now.
I'm here already. Bro, come here.
Bro, I literally can't. I'm way too far from you.
Come over here.
Who, me?
Yes, come here.
Okay, I'm going in my Pulverine car. Give me a second.
Oh my god. I just want a rare chest. Right next to the medallion. Where's the medallion? He was just here.
I don't have a car.
Hey, look, buddy.
I'm coming. I just need to get a car real quick. Well, there's no cars here. Like that's. Oh, never mind. I see a car.
Dropped an EMP. Jump, crouch.
Oh, this kid's not. It's another kid.
Crouch.
I'm gonna start live streaming soon. No cap. I'm gonna start live streaming. I'm coming with my McLaren. Boom.
Right over here. See the medallion?
No.
Get a medallion. The medallion. Let's team up and get the medallion.
Where are they?
See your forehead.
Where are they?
I have no idea anymore.
Bro,
Where did they go?
I actually built that. Not gonna lie, I built that. Oh, the zone's closing.
Where are they?
We got one guy over here at Castle Dune. Oh, they might have. It might have been like a.
Where are they at?
Oh, is that the one you searched?
No, I'm trying to find the medallions. I can't find them.
Yeah, I don't think they're here anymore. I think it's like a glitch where it shows people with medallions, but they don't.
Did they die?
Castle Dune's medallion's all the way out there. If you want to go for Castle Dune's medallion, we can go.
Oh shoot, they're all the way up there. Can we go get it?
I get the shotgun then.
If they have it. Go run. Just go run. Look, they're stuck on an island right now.
Oh!
Oh! That was the cleanest clip I've ever seen of the clippy clips.
But I just boosted so much there.
Go, keep going. Let's go the
Do you have medkits?
I've ever seen of clips. You?
No. We're going. Who cares?
Find some in the zone.
Oh fuck, we're cooked.
Yeah, we're gonna get the medallion anyway, so. Crouch. Yeah, crouch. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
Never back down, never what?
Never give up.
Yeah! Yeah, big daddies!
What the fuck?
Let's go! Shoot, shoot, shoot.
Bro, I not make it. I might not make it.
I make it. I might make it. Even though I have low health, I might make it. I make it. I made it. I made it.
Okay,
The Doom thing is here.
the gauntlets.
No.
I'm giving you the shotty. I'm giving you the shotty, please.
There's only an iron one.
Kid.
Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Oh,
What?
come here, come here, come here. I have the mythic too. I don't have the gauntlets though. But actually I do. Actually I do.
Well, come down in res. Come down in res. Come. Oh, we're dead. We're dead. Well, I gotta go. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. See you next time.
We have to get off?